Ladies and gentlemen, inside this box is the new exhaust system. You guys already know my current system, which is the stock exhaust with the mufflers deleted and the vibrant resonators installed. I'll post another sound clip just as a comparison. But quite honestly, I'm not going to be able to do a DIY or the installation with this one because it is very difficult, quite honestly, to work underneath the car and film at the same time while I'm just using a jack. And of course, it is kind of heavy too, so I have to use a hand truck. It's a beautiful evening here in Central Florida. As you can see, I'm starting around the daylight. I know it's not noticeable on the camera, but the sun is slowly going down over there. So I'm not even wasting the time. Pretty much what you're going to see is the exhaust on the car. As far as I know, it does not come in any muffler tips, but as you guys know, the real muffler tips are inside there. I really don't care about those as long as it sounds good. I may get some different tips later on just to kind of fill in the area. But enjoy the comparison. But you know, I didn't really show you guys what it looks like. OBX Racing. It's very, very nice, high quality. That's the mid pipe. And that's the other axle back. Looks pretty damn good. And then the hardware kit that it came with. Got all the flanges and bolts. All right, let's get to work.
1 hour later.
All right, fast forward. Stock exhaust is off. At least now you can have a better view of what the vibrant resonator setup where the stock mufflers used to be looks like. So all that is off. And the car is on right now. Just to hear how crazy it sounds without an exhaust on it, or without a catback on it. Way too loud. Hell no. Hell no.